Hello! Welcome to part 3 of Understanding Real Estate Wholesaling. In this video, you will learn about the negotiation process in real estate deals, basic contract terms and clauses, and how to create a purchase agreement that protects both the buyer and seller. Please share, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Negotiation skills. Negotiation is the process of reaching a mutually beneficial agreement between two or more parties. In real estate, negotiation skills are essential for wholesalers to achieve the best possible deals for themselves and their clients. Negotiation process. Negotiation process in real estate involves several steps. 1. Preparation. Before entering into negotiations, wholesalers should research the property, the seller, and the market conditions to determine the property's fair market value. Opening offer. The wholesaler should make an opening offer that is based on their research, but also leaves room for negotiation. Three, counter offer. The seller may respond with a counter offer that is higher than the initial offer. The wholesaler should consider the counter offer and determine whether they want to accept, reject, or counter the offer. Four, closing the deal. Once the wholesaler and seller have agreed on the terms, the deal can be closed. This involves signing a contract that outlines the terms of the sale. Evaluating basic contract terms and clauses. A contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties. In real estate, contracts are used to outline the terms of a sale or purchase agreement. Some basic contract terms and clauses that wholesalers should be familiar with include 1. Purchase price. The purchase price is the amount that the buyer will pay for the property. Two, contingencies. Contingencies are clauses that allow the buyer to back out of the contract if certain conditions are not met. Certain common contingencies include inspection, financing, and appraisal. 3. Closing date. The closing date is the date when the sale is finalized and ownership of the property is transferred to the buyer. Moving on to creating a purchase agreement. A purchase agreement is a legal document that outlines the terms of a sale or purchase. Wholesalers should create a purchase agreement that protects both the buyer and seller. Some elements of a purchase agreement include 1. Identification of the parties. Identification of the parties. The purchase agreement should clearly identify the buyer and seller. 2. Description of the property. The purchase agreement should include a detailed description of the property being sold. Three, purchase price. The purchase agreement should specify the purchase price and how it will be paid. 4. Closing date. The purchase agreement should include a closing date. This video focused on negotiation skills and the contracting process in real estate deals. The steps involved in negotiation, basic contract terms and clauses, and the creation of a purchase agreement that ensures protection for both the buyer and the seller. Please